Cougar here with Grandsons FC. Thanks for checking in today. Today we're going to focus on the passenger door. The passenger door has three main issues. We'll be addressing the upper hinge mounts with its scrappy welds and lovely cracks, followed by the Swiss cheese located on the inner portion of the door. Lastly, we'll tackle the mirror holes. I'm going with a completely different mirror that will not require all of these holes. Alright, let's go ahead and pull out the grinder and clean this up. Let's start with getting rid of that terrible weld. Now that it's cleaned up, I'm going to go ahead and start welding. Remember, when welding sheet metal, don't put too much heat into one area. Doing so could cause the sheet metal to warp. Well, that's starting to look better. Being too aggressive with the grinder could also cause the sheet metal to warp. Fortunately, this area is not that vulnerable to heat. The multiple layers and the bends in the middle help protect it from warpage. As this time lapse comes along, you can see what the finished product's going to look like. And it's definitely an improvement from when we started. After getting a feel for a couple easier spots, I'm going to go ahead and notch this out and take this piece and try to melt her in there. I hope it doesn't turn into those one things where it's like, oh, keep going, making holes all over the damn place. But you know, that's probably what will happen. That's alright, it's all about learning. You might be thinking, why didn't he just draw a pattern? Truthfully, I'm thinking the same thing as I'm editing this clip. I guess now I'll go ahead and trace it and make more cuts. Like a glove. I think that should melt in pretty good. Couple final touches. I found influence the metal with a hammer is the easiest way to get the metal where you want it to go. Once it's in place, throw a couple more tacks on it. Then go back to massaging it with the hammer. Alright, what we got? Let's check it. Solid. Checking out the before and afters here. Definitely an improvement. My objective is to fill in all these holes here. I'm going to plan on using this piece of metal over here. Just sort of give me some sort of filler. And then when it comes time to install my new mirrors, I'll have fresh metal and I'll just be able to put them wherever I need them. As you guessed, more grinding. Zappered in. Zip, zap, zoo. Next project, fill the hole. Right there, I'm not going to need that one anymore. I think it was a oops hole drilled for the mirror. I'm going with a little different mirrors. So I'm going to start fresh and then I'll punch in new holes. So I tacked in a piece of scrap that I had in the hole. And now I'm hammering it into place. Once I have it where I want it, I'll go ahead and throw on another tack. Pretty much rinse and repeat until I eliminate the hole. Now that I got the hole mostly sealed up, I'm going to go ahead and form it in with my grinding wheel. Alright, let's take a look, see how it turned out. Oh yeah, that's nice. That was a quick fix. It's not super filled in, but that's alright. It's smooth alright, all the way around. I don't feel like I got any high spots. So, right there sort of looks like a hole, but I think it's secured, so probably just put some mud on there and clean her up and that'd be good. Let's take a look what we accomplished today. Mirror holes? Check. Swiss cheese? Check. How about that nasty hinge support? Check. Thanks for building with me today. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Smash that subscribe button. If you're looking for more content, go ahead and check out my Facebook, Grandsons FC Rebuilds, and Grandsons FC on Instagram. Until next time, get out in the shop and build something.